Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. As the case may be, this is Kristie with AG Takes Over, and I'm so glad you're here with me today, or tonight, or this morning. If you missed the 3-part series that preceded this, I got a massive American Girl of Today haul and unboxed it in 3 parts, and it was so much fun. I thoroughly enjoyed it. My wife thoroughly enjoyed it. And I think the people who watched enjoyed it as well. So have no fear. I'm going to link all of them in the description. So if you missed those 3 videos, be sure to check them out. Some people did ask though, hey, you got like the shoes in the first video and the skirt in the second video and the shirt in the third video, but we didn't get to see the whole outfit put together. Are you going to do a recap so we can see everything, like the outfits once they're kind of pieced together? I hadn't planned on it, but that made perfect sense. So yes, that's what this will be. I am planning to do a dressing my dolls exclusively in Girl of Today outfits video sometime soonish, so the AGOT fun will continue, but these are mostly flat lays just to show you the outfits all pieced together. Also, because I keep mentioning that we're going to sell some things that are duplicates, I've been getting a lot of questions about where we sell things, and we do sell them in a Facebook group for American Girl doll collectors primarily, a little bit less so on Facebook Marketplace. But for you all, if I mention that I'm planning on selling something and you're wondering what the price is and if it's still available, just email me, agtakesover@gmail.com, and I try to check that about once a day. So yeah, that would be the best route. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would love for you to join the fun on a regular basis, and getting close-ish to 1,000, which would be an exciting milestone. So I'd love to see that happen sooner rather than later. And if you turn on the notification bell, then you will know when I post new videos. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which outfits you have, which ones are on your wish list, which are your favorites, any of that good stuff. I'm really good about reading all the comments and replying. All right, let's dive in. All right, we're going to get started with, I'm going to go in chronological order, by the way. So 1995 mix and match outfit. We did not have the purse. We did not have these shoes. Anything that we already did have, we'll just see which one's in better shape. I think they were very equal, and we'll sell duplicates. And we did not have the hat, so we're going to be completing this outfit and having stuff left over to sell. I don't remember if we had the scrunchie or not. Anyway, we do now. Yay! Next up is the 1995 Blue Jeans Basics 1. I think we had most of this. We did not have the belt. And we had just gotten those shoes because we'd been wanting them. So now we have duplicates, but we will probably sell one of them. A few people commented when they were watching the 3 unboxing videos that I should keep the duplicates, but and they gave good reasons for why it would make sense for them to do so. I'm not worried about regretting selling duplicates, and we just don't have the space to do that, so this makes more sense. This is not a duplicate, and I mentioned when I unboxed it that we don't have any of the fancy performance kind of dance costumes. And I don't usually go for this, but it's so cute. I think the thing is, I put it on Claudie, and Claudie elevates any outfit you put on her. She's just stunning. Yeah, so we're keeping it. Claudie made sure of it. Next is the first day outfit. We had a good amount of this already. We are going to be selling the one that we got because the other one is from my wife's childhood, and she's going to want to keep that one, regardless of which one's in better condition, although I think they're pretty similar. So yeah, we don't have a duplicate of the bag, which is probably the only thing that, we won't be able to sell. And those shoes, they're from the mix and match outfit and the first day outfit. They use the same shoes, and we only have 1 pair, so we'll have to sell this outfit without the shoes. Next up is the 1996 school jumper outfit, and I regret to inform you that by the time you watch this, we have already sold it. This is a really popular outfit for all the obvious reasons, and we already owned it in its entirety, so we Threw it up on a Facebook group and it was gone before we could blink. So yeah, sorry about that. 1996 soccer gear. We did not own a single stitch of this outfit, and neither Grace nor I are big sports ball people, but I just like the outfits. I really like all the athletic outfits, and this one, to get it complete and with not a single flaw or snag in it was really a treat. So yeah, we're basically keeping everything that wasn't a duplicate unless it was a couple of the historical items. This was the best surprise out of the whole thing. This was really high on my wish list, like at least top 10, if not top 5. And I was not expecting it, so, genuine squee reactions were had. I used the bracelet from the current Kwanzaa outfit and a necklace that I had made because it didn't come with the necklace. Gosh, McKenna looks great. All right. Next is the 1996 recital outfit 1. This is a little bit less exciting to me personally. It wasn't really on my wish list, but I have had seller's remorse when we have sold things too quickly, especially from this era. So we're going to keep it for a while. And I'm going to make sure that we take plenty of pictures. I know we've got a violin or a flute or both. So we're going to make sure that we get some pictures and just enjoy it for a year or two, probably before we sell it. After I iron it, of course, because I've ironed nothing. All right, Hanukkah outfit. I think when I unboxed it, I showed the tights, so I may have put them with a different outfit, or anyway, I have to relocate the tights. But minus the headband, this is complete. And we already had the skirt, so we'll sell the duplicate skirt. But yeah, glad to have this. Everybody knows the Earth Day outfit. I know everybody is jealous if they didn't already own it. Yeah, I get it. It's an amazing outfit, especially to find all the pieces in one fell swoop. I'm not a huge tie-dye person at all, but it doesn't bother me with this because I love every bit of this outfit otherwise. And the shirt is usually covered mostly by the overalls. Yeah. Yay! The culottes outfit from 1996, we did not have the shoes or the hat. So we'll sell our duplicate dress, but now we have the whole outfit. With removable pin, which was something I learned when I unboxed it. Didn't realize you could take that off. I had so many pair of jellies as a kid. My mom started getting them from yard sales for 25 cents because I'd take them off and leave them at friends' houses or the playground. Sorry, Mom. All right, 1996 swim set 1. I didn't realize before we got this that the snorkel and goggles and flippers are reused for both swim set 1 and swimming outfit 2. So that's fun. Now we have 2 of them. I think we had those flippers already, so now we have 3 pair of flippers, so maybe we will sell at least 1. The inline gear from 1997, we already owned this entire outfit. So, and I think they're in very similar condition. So we'll be selling 1 of them. It's so fun. I love that shirt. The plaid nighties, we got duplicates. We didn't have any, and now we have 2, but we're keeping both of them. This is the one thing we're keeping a duplicate of because we will have the twins, the Hoffman twins, sleep in their matching nighties from time to time. And I think they will look adorable. The 1997 fleece robe had been on Grace's wish list. It wasn't on mine, but so she knew this was coming and she was glad because, like I said, it was on her wish list. It was nice to tick it off, and everything was in perfect condition. If you saw the unboxings, you know this, and you got to be amazed right along with me. The terrific tubing outfit from 1997. We have had parts of this like 10 times. We've sold that yellow jacket a bunch of times. But all of the pieces, but I don't think we ever had the boots. And I don't think that we ever had all of it in such great condition. So we're going to keep it for a while because I'm excited to have it complete in such great shape. The shoes are cute. 1997 dog sled outfit. We had, we were already listing to sell the like main suit part, but I don't think we had any of these accessories. So now that we have it complete, we'll keep this one for ourselves. Those boots are really cute. I'm excited about them. I definitely would have been dressed in something like this as a kid. Skating star outfit. I think the version that we got in the unboxing did not have the flowers, but we have the complete outfit, so I grabbed the flowers from there just so you could see it all put together. And we will be selling the duplicate, keeping Grace's childhood one, of course. The après-ski wear. Don't even ask me if we're reselling this one, because this was part of the reason I reached out to the lady in the first place. This had been on my wish list for a while. We actually had it once and sold it, and I kicked myself ever since. So, but it's kind of hard to find it complete and for a reasonable price, so I was pumped. Need I say more? Just feast your eyes on the 1998 red vinyl jumper that is almost in perfect condition. Lunchbox, perfect and complete. Shoes, check. Tights, check. Red vinyl jumper, holy crap. You know you're witnessing a minor miracle here. The necklace, we already had it, and then we got one new in package, and we're going to keep both of them for a while so the twins can have matching necklaces. Sparkling mermaid outfit, we did not own one bit. Well, we owned the body part, but we were selling it because that was all we had. And if you know, piecing these outfits together can cost more than buying them complete. So we didn't see any point in keeping just the body part and hoping that we would come across all the other pieces. And now we came across the whole thing. It's a lot of fun. I'm really excited to put it on somebody. And this means that the kitty cat AGOT Halloween outfit is the only one we don't have yet. Everybody liked my pink snowball fluffy monstrosity, right? I regret to inform you, we're keeping this for a while. It's so ugly. Yeah, I don't love this even a little bit. And I don't even know if Grace loves it. I think she was just tickled by it. And yeah, I'm up for being a good sport and putting it on a doll. Why not? Who will be the victim? The snowflake jumper. This is another one that, like the recital outfit, not really on my radar, not high on my list. Even seeing it in its completion and in perfect condition, those tights have never been put on a doll. I still am like, but I don't want to have seller's remorse, so we're going to keep it for a little while. And I think that it will still look lovely on a doll, and probably I will be very glad that we didn't turn around and sell it immediately. I love the tights. This, we had the skirt. Comically, that was the one piece that didn't come in this. I mean, like, how perfect is that? It didn't come in the lot. Every other piece of the outfit did. So we had one measly piece of it, and then we got the other four items. And the shoes, I know they're smushed, but they are not cracked. Friends, if you watch those videos, and if you didn't, you should. But if you watch those videos, you know all of the shoes were in perfect condition. I just was so stunned. Picnic outfit is going nowhere. This is another one like the après ski gear that we had once. We had it exactly in this amount of completion because it does have a scrunchie and we didn't have the scrunchie. But we had it, and I don't know why. I was like, yeah, we can sell that. We did like one photo shoot with a doll. That was not enough. I'm really glad to have it back. We have never owned this swimming outfit too. And we are, by the way, in 1999. So we're getting closer to the end. I think we got like 30 or 31 outfits, like basically complete. Anyway, sunscreen. I love these shorts. The swimsuit's fine. I mean, it's cute, but I really love the shorts. I just am excited that we have the whole thing. Yeah, we really, really hit the jackpot. And trust me, we know this. The birthday outfit. So cute. The only thing we didn't get from this was the scrunchie, little fruity scrunchie thing. But even complete with its adorable purple jellies, which child me would have flipped out about. Whatever adult me is flipping out about. We did already have this hiking outfit complete, and we got another one complete, and it has already sold to a dear friend of mine who I met through this channel. So sorry y'all, Robin got it. But yeah, I love it. All of the details, zipper pulls, pockets that work, crazy patterned shirt. I like it all. Next up are the review overalls or the review outfit. And my understanding is that this is based on when the flagship stores used to have shows. And this was similar to an outfit that the performers would wear. It was like I knew of it, but it was not on my radar because it doesn't show up on the American Girl Wiki. So when I go look at the outfits, it's never there. But yeah, yay for having it. All right, nearing the end. This is the 1999 basketball uniform one. Again, not into sports ball, but why not? Why not? It's so complete and it's in great shape. We did actually own this before because I remember selling that basketball hoop, and I think we had the whole thing then. But I didn't really have seller's remorse, but I think we will keep it for a little while longer. Super cute shoes. We may or may not have had those the first time around. Yeah. All right. And this we definitely were planning on getting. We were hoping to get. I'll need to reshape the hat a little bit, but we just felt like Isabel deserved better than what AG just gave her. This is so much more complete. I really love that she has the shorts, and it's hilarious. Now I know about these upside down pockets. Learn something new every day. Thank you, everybody, for explaining them to me. But yeah, I love how neutral this is. I love how much more complete it is. Big fan. And last, because several of you were excited about Miss A.G. Bear, we got all these outfits in the lot. And then look at this. My wife decided, since we had all the outfits, she just needed this bear in her life. So now we randomly have Miss A.G. Bear. And like, I checked, I think she only came out with 8 outfits. So we have half of them. All right. Thank you so much. This was one of the most entertaining lots I have ever unboxed. I really liked opening it on camera, and I think that you all did too. Some exciting news. We are hoping to get a second lot from this person. It's much smaller, but from the pictures, it looks like there are a couple of odds and ends that are going to complete some of these mostly complete outfits. I won't tell you which yet. And there's a lot of historical stuff. Not near as much as there was AGOT stuff in this lot, but still plenty that should make it worthwhile. All right. Please subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you click on that notification bell. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you for my next video.